This how to 1 minute will show you how to make your Instagram thread profile private. So if you created a thread profile public, now you are wondering how to convert your public profile to private. Just follow these simple steps. Open your thread app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, and here tap on the menu icon at the top right. Tap on privacy and you will get the private profile option. So to make your thread profile private, all you have to need just toggle on this switch for private profile. And note one thing, after converting your thread profile to private, only approved followers will be able to see and interact with your content. Tap on OK and your thread profile is private now. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.